Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Purity. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to host a private live stream on BIGO Live. So if you want to host a private live stream on BIGO Live, not everyone can join your live unless you add or you invite them to join you. All you need to do now is to click on the live button. On your live, just like this, you can see game live, video live. You can go ahead and click on anyone you want. You can click on anyone, but I'm going to be using live for this video. And on the top of your screen, you can see public. After that video live, you can see public. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see public, everyone, key room, the people invited or have the key. Private, the people invited by hoster. That's the one we need. So you click on private, and make sure you save. If you click on private, make sure you save it. Then you can now go ahead and click on go live. So now, before you go live, they will ask you to add people, because you're not just going to be live for nothing. So you need to select friends, your friends that you want them to join you. So I'm going to be selecting 2 of my friends. Let me just select 2 of my friends and invite. You're going to invite, tap the invite button, then you're now live. On your live now, it's only the people you invite would join. That's it. If you found this video useful, please do well to click the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.